Hey guys, welcome to Mark's Kitchen, and for today we're going to be showing you a recipe to make a mango flavored cheesecake. So for the first step we're going to need one packet of tea biscuits and around 50 grams of melted butter. Okay, so first we're going to crush the biscuits. I'm going to crush the biscuits finely. The biscuits are finely crushed. Now I'll add melted butter to the biscuits. Now I'm going to mix it well. The biscuits are well combined. I'll use this mold. I'm going to add the biscuits in a layer. Press nicely. It has a fine, smooth layer, as you can see. So now I'm going to put it in a fridge for 20 minutes. Okay, now for the second step, we have 3/4 cup of cream cheese, half cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of room temperature butter. First, we're going to add the powdered sugar into the cream cheese, and we're going to mix it. Now the powdered sugar and cream cheese is well combined, so we're going to add the butter and mix it again. Now I will add the cream mixture to the biscuits in a fine layer. I will spread this evenly, nice and smooth. The cream is spread evenly, and I'm going to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, now for the final step, I have fresh mango cut into cubes and 1/4 cup of mango puree. And now I'm going to mix them. Finally, after 3 to 4 hours, the cheesecake is chilled finally. I'm going to add the mango puree to the cheesecake. It's looking so delicious, so now I'm going to add the toppings and remove the mold. And now I'm going to remove the mold. I can't wait. Oh my god, that looks yummy. That's delicious.